Can you imagine a future where artificial intelligence, AI, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, intertwine? Where the ownership of a robot worker is not just an idea, but a tangible asset? A future where you earn from the labor of an AI robot you own, represented by an NFT? It sounds like a concept straight out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? Picture this. It's the year 2045. John, a regular guy living in a bustling metropolis, owns an AI robot called Zephyr. Zephyr isn't just any ordinary robot, it's an AI worker represented by an NFT. This NFT isn't merely a digital asset, it's a mark of ownership, a certificate of sorts that John holds, proving that he owns Zephyr. Every day, Zephyr goes off to work at a local manufacturing plant. It doesn't need breaks, doesn't ask for vacations, and works with a precision that human workers can't match. Zephyr's wages aren't paid to a bank account, but directly to John's digital wallet as cryptocurrency. John's life has been transformed. He no longer needs to work the grueling hours he once did. Instead, he's free to pursue his passions, spend more time with his family, and explore endeavors he could only dream of before. However, this future isn't without its challenges. Zephyr, like any machine, is prone to wear and tear. It requires regular maintenance and occasional repairs. This responsibility falls on John. He is not just the owner, but also the caretaker of Zephyr. Every glitch, every malfunction is his to fix. One day, Zephyr breaks down. The manufacturing plant is at a standstill. John is faced with a hefty repair bill. However, John isn't worried. He has set aside a portion of Zephyr's earnings for such situations. After all, with ownership comes responsibility. This, dear listeners, is a glimpse into a possible future. A future where AI and NFTs intertwine, creating a new paradigm of work and ownership. A world where owning an AI robot worker isn't just a privilege, but a responsibility. In this video, we've explored the concept of AI robot workers and the role of NFTs in representing ownership. We've delved into the life of John, an owner of an AI worker, and the implications of this ownership. We've seen the benefits, the freedom it brings, and the responsibilities it entails. As we stand on the precipice of this future, it is essential to consider the potential implications and challenges that such a future may bring. As with any technological advancement, it's crucial to strike a balance between progress and responsibility. This future, where AI and NFTs intertwine, may seem far-fetched now, but as we've seen time and time again, the future has a way of surprising us. For now, we can only ponder, prepare, and watch as the future unfolds.
Thanks for joining me on this video, guys. I appreciate it. And the majority of this video was actually made by AI Invideo as my main co-pilot. I prompted it from an idea I had back in like 2022 before the AI craze, and I let it kind of do the rest. You can find out a little bit more information in the description. You can find some affiliate links and my AI co-pilots I used on this in the description. Please subscribe if you enjoy this. I will be doing a lot more videos as time goes on. And if you know what I'm about to say, please say it with me. Be a nice human.